Everyone. So in today's video, we're going to be talking about how to differentiate wholesalers, factory suppliers, factory owners on 1688 from drop shippers, retailers on 1688, because when you buy, if you want to buy any of these products or any of these items on 1688, the person you're buying from matters a lot, whether you're going to buy it at a cheaper price and whether you're going to get a quality product. So the vendor you're getting it from matters a whole lot. So you're going to be finding out who is on this 1688. How do you identify who is a drop shipper, who is a wholesaler, who is a factory owner, and all of that? So let's proceed. Okay. So my name is Blessing, and on this channel, we talk a whole lot about importation. We talk about money making, and we also talk about personal development. So we're going to be looking at how we're going to differentiate a factory from a wholesaler from a drop shipper or retailer on 1688. So first and foremost, let's click this part export kits trend. Let's click on it. Parts. Let's see what it has. So this part, I'm going to open it fully. Now, for you to authenticate a particular supplier, this supplier needs to be selling just that particular product. For you to see a wholesaler, or for you to see this person as a factory owner, the person has to be selling a particular product. If it's part is majorly children wears, children two-piece. It could be a top and trouser, it could be a top and skirt, it could be anything. In fact, they come in two-piece or even in three-piece. So part is majorly for kids. So now that she's selling or he is selling part, it should be majorly children wears that we should be seeing here, or everything should be on part. Okay, now when we get to the store of this person and we begin to see other things, it will show that this person is a drop shipper on 1688 who goes to buy from factory on 1688 and then sell and then post on his page and now sell as a wholesaler or a factory owner. While in true sense, is a drop shipper or a retailer. So he's going to even sell more expensive to you. When you buy from a wholesaler or from a big distributor or from a factory itself, you buy cheaper and you are sure of what you're buying. You'll be able to get legit original products. Now we are in the store, okay? We are in the store of this retailer or dropshipper. You can see from what we are looking at here, this person is selling bra, is selling bags, right? Not just part, selling other things. So this person cannot be called a factory owner, cannot be called a major wholesaler, right? Can still sell as a wholesaler, but this person is basically into a whole lot of other things. Let's go into the store proper. I've clicked on the store, so it's going to open and show us other things that this person sells. Okay, you can see there's bra, there's jean. As you can see, there are adult wears. Adult wears are here, not just not just children wears. There's adult wears. Okay, it's still loading, it's still opening. You can see the bra, which is for adults. You can see a Shane jean, which is also for adults. Okay, that are you can see there are bags, fashionable bags, pants and bra. Okay, that she is selling. So you cannot call this one a factory owner or a supplier. This one is a drop shipper on 1688 who buys from suppliers on 1688 as well, and then posts on his page. Okay, so you want to look at these things very, very well before you go ahead and start buying. Now look at it. He's selling a whole lot of other things. He's even into polos, t-shirts, and the rest of them. He's into bags. So these are the things you need to look at if you for you to know a real wholesaler or a supplier or a factory owner. They are always into one particular product. Okay. Now that we have ascertained that, let's go and look at another one. Let's check out another one. Right, so we're now going to look at another page or another supplier page to be sure whether this one is a real wholesaler on 1688, whether this one is a drop shipper or a factory owner. So we'll go ahead and open it properly. Okay. Once it's open like this, you can see it wholesale handbags, women fashion handbags. You can see that. Now this person is selling it for 2,600 and that's from 50 pieces. So from 50 pieces, you can see that it is cheap. 50 pieces to almost 1,000 pieces, 2,290 something. So the higher you are buying, the lower you pay. All right, so let's go ahead and check more. That's the product attributes. That's the color of the um, what was used to make the product. You can also see source direct supplier, factory price. You can see here source direct supplier, factory price. So they're giving you at a factory price. Right now, you can see the repurchase rates. Very good, 60%. It means that people are coming back to buy this particular product. You see the on-time delivery rates, very high, 54.4% store positive review. So we're going to go to the store and check if he has other things he's selling or he's selling just bags. Okay, that's how you know who is a real wholesaler or a manufacturer on 1688. So we'll go to the store. This is the store. This is the store here. We're going to click on that so that we enter the store. Good. Now that it has opened, you can see everything you're looking at here is bags, different types of bags, different designs, right? Different styles, different colors. So this is how you know that this person is a real wholesaler. Maybe this one too is buying from the manufacturers or maybe this one owns his own factory. Okay, this one might be a big wholesaler. As you can see at the beginning there, he said wholesaler handbags. Okay, you can see different types of bags, different shades. You're not seeing anything like clothing or shoes or slippers. Okay, what we are seeing here, only bags. So that is how you know serious wholesaler or supplier on 1688. They don't mix it with any other thing. They sell, if it's only bags, they sell only bags. Different types, all kinds of bags they'll sell there. Okay? If it's only clothing, they will sell only clothing. They don't mix it. Now, if you want to follow this person, you can go ahead and follow this person by clicking on this. Once you click on that plus sign, you become a follower of this particular seller. So when the person posts anything or brings up updates, you'll be able to see it, right? So before you go ahead and buy, you can still talk to the person, chat with the supplier or the factory owner, all right, or the factory before you go ahead and buy. So this is it. This is how to identify real suppliers or real wholesalers from drop shippers, retailers on 1688. Drop shippers 1688, you see them selling different types of things. They'll mix them all together. They sell shoes or bags or anything that comes their way that is they feel that they will make money. They'll pack it and be selling and post on their page. But for a real wholesaler, they'll be selling one particular product. They focus on one particular product. They produce that particular product and they sell to you at factory prices. And you get it real original products. Okay, so you want to check all of this before you go ahead and begin to buy from a particular seller on 1688. So basically this is it. This is how to check. And on my channel, I've made a detailed video on how to authenticate the supplier before you go ahead and buy. What are the things you need to check? What are the things you need to verify first before you go ahead and buy? I've made a detailed video on that. So you please go ahead and check on my channel. You'll see a video that will explain in detail what to look out for before you go ahead and buy from a particular supplier on 1688. Okay, don't go ahead and pay before you begin to find out. That will be medicine after death. So please do your checks first before you go ahead and buy. So this is it. That's all we have. We'll see you in my next video.